Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yeah, the third puzzle, not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, May the 13th, 2023. No, it's the day before. Yes, Friday edition, May the 12th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles: the ladder Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars. And it's time now for the Tectonic with 1 star. Yeah, Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 6436. Yeah, 6436. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits, but it's also indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, I see here, dual box. There, dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Here also, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. The 2 is already given here. So this box should be a 1. And those 2 boxes, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes here also. The dual box need more information here. Next question. Triple boxes. I see here triple box. There, triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. So this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5. Alright, same for here. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. The inside box near the middle box, always 4 or a 5. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see here quadra boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 then, alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, so that box has the same number as this box. The T shape, yeah, we have another T shape here. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But I see we already have a 2 here. So it can't be a 2 anymore. It should be a 1. It's connected with that box. Should be also a 1. So 1 digit left in the dual box for number 2. Alright. And in this T-shape area, we have also this box. Has the same number as that box. So in this case, should be a 2. Because it can be a 1, because we already have a 1 here in the same shape area. So should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Overlook this quadra box. Overlook this quadra box. But I cannot fill those numbers yet, so doesn't matter. Need to wait. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for us, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. And that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 5. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We already have a 4 here in the same area. So this box should be a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 2 goes there. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, a should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3, cannot fill this yet, let me mark those, 2 and 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be so 2 or the 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 should be there. And so this box, we have 1 box left, should be a pair here, the 2 and the 3 in the same area, 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 wait, yeah, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there, so 2 numbers left in this quadro box for numbers 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape. Should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 4. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well. Faster than 15 minutes, told you. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the last puzzle for today, the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah. Some people hate it, some people love it, but we'll see. In the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. It will take you more than an hour to solve that puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.